Hi everyone, welcome back to Money Moves Made Easy TV, your go-to place for personal finance tips and strategies. Stay tuned if you're ready to turn 2025 into your best financial year yet. Today we're diving into 20 proven financial goal-setting hacks to help you crush your money goals and achieve your dreams. Embarking on a journey toward financial success in 2025 requires more than mere resolutions. It demands actionable strategies tailored to your unique aspirations. From innovative budgeting techniques to investment insights, these tips are crafted to provide a clear roadmap for your financial achievements. Before we delve into these transformative hacks, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and strategies that will guide you toward financial freedom. Let's jump right in. 1. Set SMART goals. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework transforms vague intentions into clear objectives. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to save more," and specify, "I'll save $5,000 by December 31st, 2025. This clarity enhances focus and motivation. 2. Break big goals into smaller milestones. Large financial goals can seem daunting. Dividing them into smaller, manageable milestones makes them more attainable. For example, a $10,000 savings goal translates to saving approximately $833 per month. This approach simplifies the process and maintains momentum. 3. Write down your goals. Documenting your goals significantly increases the likelihood of achieving them. Keeping them visible, such as on your fridge or a vision board, serves as a constant reminder and reinforces commitment. 4. Automate your savings. Automating transfers to your savings account ensures consistent progress without relying on memory or discipline. Setting up automatic transfers right after payday makes saving effortless and reduces the temptation to spend. 5. Use the 50-30-20 rule. This budgeting guideline allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Adjusting these percentages to fit your lifestyle can help manage expenses and prioritize financial goals effectively. 6. Create a budget that works for you. Choosing a budgeting method that aligns with your personal style increases the likelihood of adherence. Whether it's a spreadsheet, an app like YNAB, or the envelope system, the key is to find a system that you can maintain consistently. 7. Track your progress regularly. Regularly reviewing your financial goals allows you to assess progress and make necessary adjustments. Monthly check-ins can help identify areas for improvement and keep you on track toward achieving your objectives. 8. Prioritize high-interest debt. Focusing on paying off debts with the highest interest rates saves money over time by reducing the amount paid in interest. This strategy, often referred to as the avalanche method, accelerates debt repayment and minimizes costs. 9. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses provides a financial safety net for unexpected costs, such as medical bills or car repairs. This fund offers peace of mind and prevents reliance on credit in emergencies. 10. Reward yourself for milestones. Celebrating small achievements along your financial journey maintains motivation and reinforces positive behavior. Treating yourself to a modest reward after reaching a savings target can make the process more enjoyable and sustainable. 11. Invest in yourself. Engaging in personal development, such as taking courses or learning new skills, can enhance your earning potential. Investing in yourself leads to career advancement and increased income opportunities. 12th, use visual savings trackers. Visual tools like charts or apps that display your savings progress can boost motivation. Seeing a visual representation of your progress makes the journey toward your financial goals more tangible and rewarding. 13. Reduce impulse spending. Implementing a waiting period before making non-essential purchases helps curb impulse spending. Often, the initial urge diminishes over time, leading to more deliberate and thoughtful spending decisions. 14. Diversify your income. Exploring additional income streams, such as side hustles or passive income opportunities, increases financial security. Diversification reduces reliance on a single income source and can accelerate the achievement of financial goals. 15. Maximize your retirement contributions. Contributing the maximum allowable amount to retirement accounts, like a 401k or IRA, takes advantage of tax benefits and employer matches. This strategy enhances long-term financial security and prepares you for retirement. 16. Learn to say no. Declining invitations or spending opportunities that don't align with your financial goals is essential for maintaining discipline. Setting boundaries ensures that your spending habits support your objectives. 17. Take advantage of employer benefits. Utilizing available employer benefits, such as 401k matching or wellness stipends, maximizes your compensation package. These benefits can significantly contribute to your financial well-being. 18. Stay educated about personal finance. Continuously learning about personal finance through blogs, podcasts, or courses empowers you to make informed decisions. Staying educated helps adapt to changing financial landscapes and optimize your financial strategies. 19th. Practice gratitude. Regularly reflecting on what you have can reduce the temptation to overspend on unnecessary items. Practicing gratitude fosters contentment and encourages mindful spending aligned with your values. 20. Surround yourself with supportive people. By surrounding yourself with supportive people and openly sharing your financial goals, you create an environment conducive to financial success. The combination of accountability, support, shared knowledge, and motivation can significantly enhance your ability to achieve your financial objectives. And there you have it, 20 financial goal-setting hacks to make 2025 your best financial year yet. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. As we conclude this guide, remember that the path to financial success is paved with informed decisions, consistent actions, and a commitment to your goals. Implementing these 20 hacks can significantly enhance your financial well-being and bring you closer to realizing your dreams in 2025. Check out all the related resources and download the helpful links in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to achieving your financial dreams in 2025.